Join us as we dive into the world of affiliate marketing to see if we can uncover the most profitable affiliate marketing niche with the help of AI. As many people already know, affiliate marketing is an incredible way to make money online, but it all starts with finding the right niche. You see, the niche you choose will determine your success. And without a profitable niche, you'll be stuck spinning your wheels and wasting your time. Many affiliate marketers struggle to find a niche that truly resonates with their audience and generates significant revenue. This is because they're relying on guesswork, trends, or even just plain old instinct. And let's be honest, it's hard to know where to start, especially with the overwhelming amount of options out there. The truth is, most affiliate marketers face a significant risk of failure, simply because they're not targeting the right audience or promoting the right products. It's like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. And we've all been there, trying to make sense of Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media buzz, only to end up with a niche that's overcrowded, unprofitable, or just plain uninteresting. But AI is able to take the guesswork out of niche selection and in turn revolutionize the way we approach affiliate marketing. By analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and revealing hidden opportunities that would be impossible for humans to uncover on their own, AI can tap into consumer behavior, pinpoint trending products, and identify the most profitable keywords, all in a matter of seconds. We found one strategy to find the best affiliate marketing niches was to use AI-powered keyword research tools to identify keywords with high search volume and low competition. Another was to leverage AI-driven social media analysis to tap into emerging trends and popular conversations. We've also utilized AI-based product research tools to uncover hidden gems on platforms like Amazon or Etsy. By leveraging these AI tools, we can significantly reduce the risk of failure and increase our chances of success in affiliate marketing. So after analyzing vast amounts of data, running countless simulations, and testing various scenarios, the AI has revealed that our most profitable niche is, drumroll please, it's the fitness and wellness industry, specifically yoga and meditation products for millennials. This niche stands out because of its high demand, low competition, and significant revenue potential. The data shows that this audience is highly engaged, willing to spend money, and eager for high-quality products and advice. Best of all, this niche aligns perfectly with current trends, such as the growing focus on mental health, self-care, and holistic living. With the rise of social media influencers, online yoga classes, and wellness retreats, the opportunities for affiliate marketers are vast and varied. In conclusion, using AI for niche selection in affiliate marketing takes much of the guesswork out of the process, greatly improving your chances of success. By leveraging AI tools, you'll be able to uncover hidden opportunities, tap into emerging trends, and build profitable businesses that truly resonate with your audience. So, what's your experience been like with affiliate marketing? Have you struggled to find a profitable niche, or have you had success with a particular strategy? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to hit subscribe for more content on affiliate marketing, AI, and online business. Thanks again for watching. Check the description below for some helpful links to get you started with niche research.